Episode 81, Game of Masks.
Can I see it? I just want to see it.
How did you know?
It's an Oni temple. It's safe to assume only an Oni could take it.
No. How could you know that I was part Oni?
You're related to the first Spinjitzu master. He was an Oni.
But I never told you that. Jay and I were alone when Mistaki told us the story. You were never there.
Then I must have heard it from Jay.
I don't want to believe it. You're the quiet one?
How could you say that?
But it all makes sense now. The greatest villain is the one you never knew was there in the first place. You said that.
Oh, yes. I'm the criminal mastermind. How could I have done this? Do you realize how silly you're sounding? I love you.
Stay back.
Lloyd?
You only wanted me to get the mask you couldn't find.
I didn't need you to find the mask. It would have already been mine had your idiot friends not stolen Wu from us.
The baby is Master Wu?
Oh, that's right. You didn't know. I knew to keep you close. Not everything goes to plan. Give me the mask.
No, I can't let you bring my father back. Not like that.
Well, then if you won't give it to me, then I will take it!
Why?
I never asked to be a princess. Just as I never asked to be an orphan. But you gifted me that.
How did I do that?
The Great Devourer! It was too strong, too big for you and your friends. Lloyd, you aren't so naive to think no one got hurt that day, did you? It wasn't until the almighty Lord Garmadon saved the day, but he couldn't save my family. It was too late. I died that day too.
Give me one reason not to say goodbye to it right now.
I'll give you two. You want to see your father again. And you love me. Ah, your emotions. You can't get rid of them. It's hard to think, isn't it? I felt those feelings too. We truly are kindred spirits.
You helped put the bug on the ship. You caused the crash.
A calculated risk. Your friends were so close to the truth. I couldn't let them stop me.
Eating the poor? Acting scared? It was all an act?
Ah, yes, the damsel in distress. You ninja really are from another time.
The Emperor and Empress?
They were never my parents! To protect Ninjago, I had to repress those feelings. I had to wear a mask until the time came for me to take control. I had to be smarter, stronger.
You were never protecting Ninjago. You were only after revenge.
Tell me, Lloyd, how many times has Ninjago almost fallen on your watch? How many times have you ninja failed and let others pay the price? You're not our protectors. You're just a bunch of little kids playing dress-up. Ninjago is my home, too. And with your father by my side, we can return it to glory. Give it the leader it truly deserves.
Then I guess this is goodbye. was planned.
This isn't going to be a fair fight.
What did the mask do to you?
The mask of hatred. A taste of invincibility. Too bad for you!
All you want, but I'm never gonna let you get away with this.
Physical pain can only hurt so much. I intend far worse.
Then what do you want?
I want you to feel the emptiness that I feel. When your father is reborn, he won't be the man you recognize. His soul will be gone, and I want his cold hands to destroy you.
You're a monster. I'll never feel what you feel.
We will see.
Fight me. Let's end it here.
I'm already 2 steps ahead.